Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dumplings with a steamer. First, let's set up your steamer. Begin by adding about 2 to 3 cups of water to the bottom pot. Make sure the water level is below the steamer basket so the dumplings are steamed, not boiled. Next, line your steamer basket. You can use parchment paper, cabbage leaves, or even a damp cloth. This crucial step prevents your delicious dumplings from sticking to the basket. Now, let's arrange your dumplings properly. Place them in a single layer inside the lined steamer basket. It's important to leave about 1 inch of space between each dumpling. This prevents them from sticking together as they expand during cooking. Overcrowding the basket can lead to uneven cooking and a less desirable texture. Proper spacing ensures that steam circulates effectively, cooking each dumpling perfectly. Before adding your dumplings, bring the water in the bottom pot to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling vigorously, carefully place the steamer basket on top. For fresh dumplings, steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you're cooking frozen dumplings, they will typically need an additional 2 to 4 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the wrappers appear translucent and the filling is piping hot. Once your dumplings are perfectly steamed, carefully remove the basket from the heat. Using tongs or a spatula, gently transfer the hot dumplings to a serving plate. It's best to serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as soy sauce with ginger or chili oil. Avoid leaving them in the steamer to cool, as they might stick to the lining. Enjoy your delicious, tender, and perfectly steamed dumplings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.